Thank you, Professor Biani sir and Charter team for that insightful presentation. Your work shows how digitization isn't just a buzzword. It's making everyday travel in India more reliable, accessible, and sustainable. From real time updates to smarter routes, you are helping public transport become a system we can trust and use with ease. It's startup like yours that are reimagining mobility for the millions who depend on it daily. Thank you so much, sir. So, so we have one more spotlight case study talk before the panel. We now shift gears to a story from the skies. Please welcome Enord, a drone tech startup applying aerial innovation to agriculture, environmental monitoring, and social impact. Let's hear how drones are becoming sustainability enablers. Like the founder of Enord is Muhammed Anas, CEO of Enord, and the catchy thing is his name is just opposite of Enord. So let's welcome them for a great session.
Thank you for a nice introduction. I'm Mohammed Anas. I'm the founder of Enord. The word Enord is opposite of word drone, DRONENORD. I'll share my screen and present few slides if you allow me to. I hope my screen is visible. Yeah, all right. So at Enord, we are working on drones that are autonomous using AI on edge. Solution that we have built. Just go through a few of the slides. We are one of the early company into drones, which have put a AI onboard computer, which can capture the data and compute in real time. So we can fly a drone in confined spaces as well. We have recently built a platform inspector light on top of which we can mount a device like air quality monitoring device, which can capture the data of gases like SOx, NOx, PM. And all these data can be compiled and presented on a real time on a screen of the ground control station. So it helps in doing pollution inspection on a construction site or maybe an industrial area where government wanted to regulate and monitor. So we have already deployed a fleet of drones in West Bengal, Kolkata for pollution control board there. And the device consists of sensors like SOx, NOx, PM, and capturing the data in real time along with the geo coordinate and imagery gives them a very concrete proof or record to find the industry if they are violating any rules. Like uh, this platform, Inspector Light is capable of carrying a payload on top, which is a pollution control or a pollution monitoring device, consists of multiple sensor. And by plugging it on top, it provides direct integration with the onboard computer, and it helps in providing that data inside directly on the GCS, ground control station, in real time. So we can create a report as well later on after we land the drone. There are different ways of using the product. It can also be integrated with the different set of sensors other than pollution control, pollution related sensors like gas sensors, or it can also have a multispectral camera for yield estimation of the crop, or normal RGB camera for surface monitoring of the site. So this is a multi-purpose, multi-utility platform which can be utilized for wide range of application to help in sustainability, agriculture, and a lot of more application. So we have created sort of a dashboard for users where they can scan a particular area and get some sort of data. So these numbers are for the sample. These are not the actual numbers. These are the part of UI. So this is how a platform looks like, which can fly approximately 5 kilometers and come back. It has some onboard capability to compute the data and transmit in real time along with the video. So video feed comes as a HD video from the drone, and the camera is controllable. So we can create a ortho mosaic of the area or a 3D model of the area, and we can tag each location where there is a higher intensity of the pollution or some particular data of our interest. So yeah, that's a brief of what we have done in terms of sustainability. Other than this, we have deployed this product for a range of application for different use cases as well. And that's all from my side, a very quick and short presentation. I hope I have conveyed the point. Yeah, if there are any questions. Yeah.
Yeah, so like it's really a very exciting journey. So I have some questions as I heard about it a lot. Like, how are drones helping make agriculture more sustainable? So how
Yeah.
are they doing that?
Yeah. So taking an example of pesticide spraying, there are hundreds and thousands of drones being deployed for spraying in agriculture field. But those drones need some data uh, to take some necessary action. Right now, or most of the cases, what people are doing, they are randomly running drones on their farm by not knowing where to spray how much. So first they need to understand their crop and its need. So first step is required to fly a drone for the purpose of inspection, to inspect the crop health and need of pesticide in particular area. So that will help in precision spraying and saving the cost of spray or the pesticide. When we'll spray precisely, we will have a lesser cost of deployment.
So like, can drones help reduce resource wastage in sectors like farming or infrastructure?
Yeah, that's it's a correlated thing. So when we are doing an inspection before deploying a spraying drone or spraying or doing the pesticide work, uh, we will end up saving a lot of chemicals and resources in terms of time, money, and manpower. All of the aspect we'll be able to save a lot of things. Yeah.
And I'll ask crowd here, any questions from here? In which case, I have one. You mentioned that word, money. Have you considered the cost effectiveness of this? In terms of, I mean, is it a service model? Are people expected to buy this? How does the business model sort of pan out?
Yeah, so cost is always a sensitive thing in India. If something can fit in terms of cost in India, it's for the world. So especially in the field like agriculture. So we have given a thought about the cost. If you talk about the equipment cost, it's not affordable by the farmer directly. They cannot purchase and deploy it by themselves. It is not only about the cost, but also about the advocate skills that which are required to deploy such critical machine, capture the data, and then present a report. So we are open to do it as a service. As a service, it's a because it's not required every day. It's required once or twice in a season of a crop, and so it's not really costly. But if you see it as a product, it cannot be deployed as farmer can purchase it and keep it to their farm and then use it when they want it. So instead, in India, government is using hub and spoke model where they have created FPOs, farmer producing organizations. And in FPOs, they have asked each FPO to procure drones for spraying and inspection or whatever it is and give as a service to the farmers. So that's how it is working in India.
Very good. Thank you.
Welcome.
Like one more question I have. So like, what's one surprising insight your drones have revealed during climate mapping?
Yeah, see, the very important thing is there are few factors that we ignore when we are running a factory or some set of like infra. People are considering it for granted. Like we are running an infra, so few things are running by default as a in a correct manner. But when we do an inspection and present a report, it's always a surprise to see the change in expectation, like what we were expecting and what result we are getting. There's always a change in that. So that's always a surprising part that nobody expects to see a deviation from their expectation. That's
Okay, so like have any questions? Any other questions from anyone?
Yeah, I have a question. So, like, I wanted to know that if a drone could monitor just one thing every day to make the planet more sustainable, what should it be in your opinion?
please come again.
Like, if a drone could monitor just one thing every day to make the planet more sustainable, what it should be in your opinion?
Yeah, I think for sustainability, uh, it's more than one thing that a drone can monitor actually and make a lot of things better. It will be very conservative if I'll say only one thing, but actually the drone usage is in every sector, and including agriculture, including road transportation, infra monitoring, everything is required to be inspected on a regular basis, including all the machineries and the factories. But the priority thing that you say, if anything is related to the crop, is the topmost priority because it is directly linked to the what we consume, what we have in everyday life. So crop is on top. Yeah.
Any other questions anyone have?
Yes, I have one. My question is, how do you ensure your drone operation remain energy efficient and eco-friendly?
Yeah. So there are different type of drones in the market. There are fixed wing drones, multi-rotor drones, hybrid drones, and VTOL drones. Uh, the difference between these drones are not every drone is electrically propelled. Most of the drones which are high endurance, larger altitude, higher altitude, long endurance, and used for large area mapping and inspection are sometimes they are using fuel based or a gasoline or some conventional propulsion system, whereas in our case we are using purely electric propulsion system, which is of course not impacting to the environment as compared to the fuel based systems. So that's one thing. I hope I have conveyed this.
So it was a
Yes,
very
sir.
insightful session. Yes.
Thank you.
So yes, thank you for those insightful responses. It's clear that drones are no longer just flying machines. They are becoming powerful instruments for sustainability, from precision agriculture to climate intelligence. We appreciate the work you are doing and look forward to seeing these innovation skills where they are needed most. Thank you so much.
Thank you.